just dropped off at Terminal A? Let's walk through how to pick up your next rider at Terminal E using Rideshare Rematch. Follow the signs to airport exit 69/59, C/D/E. Rideshare Rematch means you can pick up a new rider right after drop-off without leaving the airport. It helps riders get picked up faster and drivers spend less time waiting. It's a win-win. This video shows exactly how to pick up a rider at Terminal E coming from Terminal A. Follow the signs for C/D/E. This will place you on Clayton Boulevard. Stay in the right 2 lanes. As you return to the terminals, shift to the left lane and follow the sign for Terminal E. Now, here's where things get tricky. Do not follow the sign to arrivals. Even though you're picking someone up, rideshare drivers must follow departures. Follow the ramp up to the second level. At the top, stay in the right lane and continue all the way to the last lane. That's the rideshare pickup zone. Try to park in the designated section, but when it's busy, get in where you fit in. After you've picked up your new rider, proceed slowly through the rideshare zone. Congratulations, you've completed the pickup. Now follow the ramp down and exit the airport.